Namaste. Welcome to Institute of Hotel Management Hajipur's Chef Club Insomnia's Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare poulet sauté sauce, which will be accompanied with starch accompaniment, pomme lorette, and vegetable accompaniment, haricot beurre. Now, pomme lorette and haricot beurre, the recipe we will share with you separately. Now, to prepare poulet sauté sauce, which is a chicken preparation with a saucer sauce. As all of you know, that saucer is a derivative of brown sauce. It is also known as hunter style of chicken. And to help prepare this dish, we have with me the president of Insomnia, Mr. Shah Anish, and on camera we have vice president of Club Insomnia, Mr. Sahas Tiwari. So let's talk about today's dish. Today's dish is poulet sauté sauce, which is a chicken along with the saucer sauce. Now we have given a little bit of twist in this. Instead of preparing simple chicken, we are making chicken roulade that will be served with saucer sauce along with the various accompaniment. And we have already shared the video how to debone chicken and to prepare brown stock and brown sauce with you separately. I hope you have watched that and enjoyed that. So let's start making of roulade. To prepare roulade, you require boneless leg or boneless chicken breast. Now here in roulade, you can also use with skin chicken, but here we are not using with skin. Okay, we are using without skin. That is what we showed. So first we have to take. I am making it with the chicken leg. And Mr. Shah will prepare from chicken breast. He will show you. So this is what is our deboned chicken leg along with the thigh and drumstick. We have to take the knife, the blunt side of knife, you have to take and just slowly beat it to make a little bit of black. Now you have to hit it, not to make it mince. This side it should not cut. Okay. And then we will just marinate with little bit of salt and crushed black pepper on this. Here some people they do put lot of other stuff, like you can put wine, different herbs and all. We are trying to make it a little bit simpler. So our chicken thigh is already marinated and it is flattened. We will prepare the roulade. Now, roulade can be roasted, it can be braised, and you can steam it also, or you can cook it any other method. Now, here the method what we are going to use is roast. We will roast in the oven, so we will only use aluminium foil. If you are going to blanch it or steam it, you can also use cling wrap with this, which will keep all the moisture intact. So I am going to roast, so that is why I am using only aluminium foil. So first you have to take the chicken. Then the stuffing we have already prepared. I will share the recipe of the stuffing with you separately in different box. Now this is a mixture of cheese, jalapenos, black olives, green olives and gherkins. Now you can use different other stuffing with this. Different stuffing you can use. You can use paneer, you can use any other cheese for that sake, or spinach, or different other ingredients can be made to stuff it. It depends on. You can mince meat and use as a stuffing. Now here again we are giving little bit of twist. Now here, as you know, that chicken is very tender, so we are putting some little bit of soft butter in this, so that our chicken will remain moist during cooking. Now here, no other oil or any other fat I am going to use during cooking. So this is what will act as a fat during cooking. So a little bit of stuffing I will take here, put in the center. Okay. Then we will roll this. Nice round we have to cook. Then with the aluminium foil, again I will roll it. Give it a twist. Okay, you have to toffee twist we call it, both different side and nice tight it has to be. Then we are going to, this can be any other method of cooking you can use. We are going to roast it. So again, one more we are going to prepare with chicken breast. But as Mr. Shad is not wearing the gloves, I will prepare and give him, he will roll. Okay. So here is we have chicken breast. Again, we will flatten it. Marinate it with salt and crushed pepper from the peppermint. Now it is ready, so I would like Shad to repeat the process with the chicken breast. Again, now chicken breast is very lean meat, it does not have any fat. So you need to be careful that you choose butter so that will keep it moist. Now here again you have to make sure that the good side of chicken breast is on top. Now please roll this. Okay, very good, Shad. This is, you have learned it nicely. Okay. Now see, our roulade is ready. So it is ready to go in the oven. You will roast this in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for at least 40 minutes. Now you can also check the temperature with the help of your thermometer. You can insert the thermometer inside and make sure that your chicken is above 160 degrees centigrade. If chicken breast 160 degrees centigrade, then you take it out. Sorry, not in centigrade, it is in Fahrenheit, 160 degree Fahrenheit. So that is how you have to roast in the oven. So that's it from here. So we'll roast and come back to you with the sauce. The chicken is almost ready, and we have unwrapped it and cut it into small diagonal size. You have to remove from the cling wrap, and just from the sides you have to cut a little bit so that it holds its shape, and when you use it on the plate, it holds its base. So we have already cut chicken here, and you see here we have the accompaniment of our Poms Loretta, which is a potatoes, mashed potato along with the soup cheese. Then it is seasoned with salt and pepper, dusted with refined flour and deep fried. We have bouquetière of vegetables. To give it a little bit of color, we have used red color of the carrots, and we have made bouquetière. Now to plate this, I have used a mushroom salad, which is again a classical dish which was prepared by Insomnia. It is sauteed mushroom along with the onion, parsley and lemon juice. So we are going to do the plating of this. Put our chicken on the sides. The portion size should be around 150 gram of protein should be there. But entree plate should be around 300 gram along with all the accompaniments. And next is your, we'll put some green peas to give it a little bit of color on this. We'll put the saucer sauce. The saucer sauce is prepared with the help of brown sauce, sauteed mushrooms, onion, and I have added a little bit of garlic. Again, if you want, you can add. Then we'll put a little bit of sauce on top of this. Separately, we can also serve sauce a little bit to the guest. To put a little bit more color, we'll put some herb oil. And the dish is never complete without a sprig of fresh herbs. So we can put fresh herbs on top of all the three pillars of roulade that we have prepared. Now, just to recap you, we have poulet sauté saucer with a twist. In this, we have prepared a roulade of chicken stuffed with mushroom, bell peppers, and we have also used different other ingredients like gherkins, jalapenos, and olives. And to accompany this, we have green vegetables, bouquetière, and Poms Loretta. And And to taste this dish, we have our own very distinct personality of IHM Hajipur, Mr. Sumit sir, and he will tell us how is the dish Mr. Shah and we have prepared. So sir, please taste this and give us the comment.
Thank you, Mr. Vanagam, and good evening to all. Very nicely prepared by our students. And students are actually the soul of the institute. For such a long time, we are not getting them. But where we are feeling quite fortunate that some of the students, they have prepared this. Other students, they are going to see it, and they must be able to understand how these typical items and the classical items have been made by the students of our college. And they belong to 5th semester, to be very clear. Now let us, everything has been explained by Mr. Anupam. So I am quite fortunate enough that I am the tester. I am here to test it. So I am feeling very lucky. So firstly, I will be starting off with the main item, that is the chicken roller with the sausage sauce. So I will check the chicken preparation as well as the sauce which is accompanying it. Very nicely decorated, very nicely presented too.
Thank you sir. And it's a team effort of Team Insomnia. So Mr. Shah, congratulations to everyone. I hope it tastes good.
It is always the team which counts, and that spirit,
this is your appreciation.
That spirit is always there under the able guidance of Mr. Anupam. So I am going to try the chicken one, that is the main dish. After that, I'll be testing the accompaniments. So let me start off with the main one, the chicken roller with the sausage sauce. Wow!
Thank you. If your guest is happy, then you are happy. So you have to always make your guest happy. The taste should reach to his heart.
I got to appreciate. It is actually, by the look itself, it is mouth watering, and when I put it in the mouth, it's watering again. So that is the success of a particular dish which has been prepared by my beloved students. Let me check the sausage sauce, although it was already there with the chicken. Let me check the typicality as far as the taste is concerned about the sausage sauce which has been made by you. Tremendously good.
Thank you, sir.
And mushroom is also there. Mushroom is one of my favorite items. Anyways, whoever is going to have this probably will be liking this. And I am very sure that whoever is going to have this will be liking this.
Thank you so much.
Now the bouquet here, the green vegetables. So it is coming in the form of a bouquet with the beans and the carrot. As Mr. Anupam said, that he has used some red color so that the color combination of the dish becomes good, because you know the dish has to be eye appealing first. Then it has to be good in taste. The texture, consistency, other things, they will come later. But firstly the eye appeal of the dish. And as far as the eye appeal condition of the dish is concerned, it's looking super. Absolutely okay, because it is sauté. Sautéing is not that it will be perfectly cooked, because the rawness of the vegetable it imparts some deadness into the dish. That I am getting from this bouquet. Next is the accompaniment, which is pomme lorette. Pomme is potato. Everybody must be knowing it by this time. The color is absolutely golden brown, so it's looking very good. As far as the color combination is concerned, you see the golden color, golden brown color is there, red color is there, green peas, haricot bhat, petit pois, green peas, green, then brown. So the color combination, the menu selection is super.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Pomme lorette, one of the accompaniments other than this bouquet here. One final wow.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
As I already said, color is good. Texture is good and taste is magnificent.
Well, so congratulations.
Congratulations to all of you.
Congratulations, Team Insomnia.
And Team Insomnia, congratulations to Team Insomnia and the leader of Team Insomnia and seller of the board, Mr. Anupam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so very much. Wish you all the very best.
Thank you, sir.
Waiting for seeing you physically over here in IJM Hajipur.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. It's your leadership which always keeps us motivating us, which keeps us telling us new things. So that's it from our side. We would like to thank our leader, Mr. Sumit Chatterjee, for always standing behind us to appreciate us. And I would like to thank Mr. Shah, who was there to help me on all the dishes, along with Mr. Saharsh Tiwari, who is on camera. So thank you so much, everyone, from our Insomnia kitchen. We see you in another dish which will be coming up. So till then, keep liking, keep sharing, and subscribe our channel and watch all different dishes what we're going to prepare in our 5th semester, which is coming in the future. So thank you so much and namaste from our end. Thank you. Have a good day.